Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share. So clearly the possibility of making enough money to leave a full-time job or at the very least earn some side cash is more than real on TikTok. So here are 10 ways you can make money on TikToks. Number one is to get paid directly by TikToks. The most direct way to earn money through TikTok is to take advantage of the platform Creators Fund, which is part of the Creator Next umbrella of monetization tools. This fund was enabled by TikTok to encourage users to create viral content, but the specifics of how much it pays are still murky. As in case with Snapchat, which has a similar fund, who is selected for the creator fund and how much their pay is decided by the company. That said, a TikTok creator can sign up to be considered for the creator fund if they meet the following criteria. He's 18 years old, based in the US, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, or the UK, have at least 10K followers with 100K video views in 30 days prior to applying. Have an account that meets TikTok community guidelines. Becoming a TikTok star over 10,000 followers can make some time if all you do is record short videos every once in a while. So this direct method of earning is one of the hardest strategy on the list. However, it also provide one of the most stable opportunities for income if you get accepted to the program. As noted earlier, there are no set of amount per view or per video. TikTok claims they decide how much a content creator is paid based on views, engagement, and other factors. However, some creators report earning around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So in another perspective, like Charli D'Amelio on TikTok, she has over 108 million followers and has like around 8 billion likes, average around 30 million view per video. So that means she could earn around $600 per video. It could be noted that Charli D'Amelio is one of the most popular video creator on the platform. At that same pay rate, an average person could only expect to make a small handful of change through Creator Fund. So take that with a grain of salt. The fund is still very new and it's just pretty much chump change. So let's go with the second one. So a second one is alright, receiving virtual gifts, which means you can receive a gift during live streams from your fan base, as in coins and other gifts that can be exchanged to money. But that is just another way of receiving money. So we won't go more into the detail of this. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. For number 3, make money with TikTok is receiving tips. TikTok tip features launch in 2021. Creator Next update. While tipping online creator is much more common practice in Asian countries, the practice is gaining traction in the US, has potential to become a significant source of income. Unlike live and video gifts, online creators receive 100% of their money that they get from tips. To receive tips, you must have a Stripe account to process payment. Only personal TikTok account are eligible for tips, no business account. Tip max out at $100 per transaction. Number 4, leverage the TikTok Creator Marketplace. So the TikTok Creator Marketplace is part of the Creator Next platform where brands connect with TikTok creators to boost their sales or increase brand awareness. Now, this is one of my favorite, and I see you can make a lot of money with this. So in other words, it's like building in tools that facilitate the production of sponsors' content. This platform offer data analytics for creator accounts, which help you see how your audience is growing. It's also tell the brands about who your audience are to help them decide whether to book you for a video sponsorship or not. The beauty of this is that you don't need to have a huge following to connect with brands. As long as you have a minimum of 10,000 followers, you have access to the company, you have access to a community that may be willing to pay you for a shout out or a partnerships. Number 5, promoting new music. For aspiring music artists, TikTok is a fantastic resource for gaining attention. That means a creator can earn money by including certain music in their videos. This is actually one of the ways that I personally have tried. I make music for the past 10 10 years and have a SoundCloud account. So one of the ways I was researching for ways to gain traction about 2 years ago, which lead me to TikToks, and I basically have to make a list of all the TikToker that will play my sound in their background to do dances, and I would pay them somewhere like $20 to $50 to $100, depend on their following. So this is definitely something I have used personally. So let's go for number 6. Becoming a TikTok influencer. TikTok is a great platform for influencer marketing, which is amazing. Similar to Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. However, you don't need to your own product to sell on TikTok. There are plenty of money to be made by promoting the product that made by other. A TikTok influencer can involve in the following activities: affiliate marketing, brand ambassador, sponsor events, sponsor posts. To connect with brands who are willing to pay for these things, many TikTokers contract with brand sponsorships agency, which are companies that play matchmaker between online influencer and brands that want to sponsor their content, which is offering you an easy way out. Like when they act as the middleman to connect you, so you don't have to go through the hard time. Of course, they will want a percentage. TikToker who work through sponsorship agencies typically charge around 1 to 2 cents per sponsor post view, which is far higher rate than being paid by a TikTok creator fund. Influencer who are not partnered with an agency, which typically have a large audience, are known to make a flat fee around $200 to $2,000 per sponsor post. Number 7. Drive traffic to somewhere else other than TikTok. While users don't typically drive traffic to other platforms within their video, a content creator can link their Instagram or their YouTube to their account profile. For now, those are the only 2 alternative social media platforms that are allowed on TikTok. However, you can also add links to your own website and your bio. This allows you to promote that link throughout the content you create, driving user to a platform where you can leverage affiliate marketing to sell other people's products, such as a blog. Additionally, gamers will often upload clips of their own highlights or live streams from video games in an effort to drive traffic to their Twitch or Discord channel, which is another good example. Since these platforms are supported by TikTok, you have to verbally tell your viewers to find you on Twitch, Discord, or other channels. Number 8, what you can do is promote a service. Promoting a service is one of a great way to make money on TikTok. TikTok user offering a service can work for multiple niche. For example, a graphic designer could feature their work in a TikTok videos and offer classes for their followers. Music producer can produce track and then offer a class or do the same. This model allows creators to determine the price for the services they offer. Additionally, you could combine this tip with the TikTok creator marketplace to bring other creators on board who are willing to advertise your service for small commissions. Let's head on to number 9. Manage TikTok ads campaign for businesses. TikTok is a relatively young platform with a young audience, and not all business owners view it as a viable source of marketing income. Even if they do, relatively few understands what it is and how to work it enough in detail to leverage it for their own purpose. And that's a huge missed opportunity because advertisements appear between strings of TikTok videos that don't allow viewers to skip for about 5 seconds. So in the US alone, TikTok has over 73 million users watching videos on a daily basis. So from a digital marketing perspective, this is a gold mine for any business owner looking to advertise on the space. So as you know, we own a e-commerce DTC platform in Southeast Asia. TikTok has been where we put 80% of our advertising budget toward. The other 20 is in Google. So TikTok definitely a gold mine right now in advertising. So number 10, become a TikTok consultant or a manager. On the same theme as the first, as the list item above, some successful TikTok users transition into work as a consultant and manager for others who are less experienced users but who want to expand their audience. For example, people or brands will often hire an experienced TikTok consultant to help them out to run their TikTok account and grow to a new level. TikTok managers are charged managing the entire TikTok presence for one or more companies. This involves choosing the right hashtags, collaborating with other influencers, influencer or engaging with comments from viewers. To become a TikTok consultant or manager, you will need some proven experience with the platform and a strong track record of followers like likes and engagement. So at the end, we have a few tips for you to grow your TikTok business. These tips are free, so feel free to use. Regardless of the TikTok monetization strategy that you chose on our list from above, as a TikTok creator, you need eyes in your videos and profile if you want chance to make money on the platform. Growing your business and your TikTok follower for your account can be done similarly to other social media platforms with some of these basic strategies that we outline here. Or you can click on the description to read from our blog if we have that up. Use the popular hashtag. Collaborate with other users. Okay, be consistent and stick to a theme. Leverage effects on other fun aspects of TikTok video creation screen. Make sure your profile picture is friendly. And even though you can post video for as long as 3 minutes, stick to short video content. Use popular songs on your videos. So above all, focus on increasing the traffic to your profiles. Other helpful strategies center around connecting your audience on a deeper level. After all, nobody wants to support a person who pretends their following doesn't exist. If you're hitting a creative wall, reach out to your followers, live stream and talk with them and ask what content they would like to see you create next. And all these tips you can help start your TikTok slowly. So that's all the tips that we have for you today. And if you have any let's say ideas or things you want to know about how to make money, please leave it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Again, this is Billy. Have a nice day. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.